Good morning, class 8. Today we will discuss our chapter number 1 of history, which is how, when and where. In this chapter we already discussed many things, so today we will discuss the leftover part, which the first one is colonization. Colonization means when a country controls another country and affects its economic, social and culture and affects its social, culture and economic points. That is called colonization. Colonization means when a country dominates another country. It's called colonization. For example, India is a colony of Britain. Before 15 August 1947, India is a colony of Britain. We are under control of Britain. The next thing is how do we know? How do we know that what is happened in our past? हमारे past में क्या क्या हुआ? How do we know? We know because of documents. Yes, the British government believe in calligraphy. So, what is calligraphy? Calligraphy means the art of writing. The beautiful art of writing is known as calligraphy. So, the British government is believed that everything should be in written form. I teach you. What is the proof that I teach you? Because I teach you, suppose I teach you lesson number 1 of history. You make notes and I will check your notebook. That is the proof that I teach you social science. So that's why Britishers always think that every record should be in written form, so that we can easily discuss on that point. Every record should be properly maintained, everything should be in written form and everything should be properly maintained. British government record everything and they maintain their records in museums so that they can preserve for long times. We are writing and we are maintaining our books. For example, manuscript. Manuscript means the script. Manu means hand, it is a Latin word. Manu means hand and script means लिखी हुई, हाथ से लिखी गई. We are writing our manuscript on the leaves, on the palm leaves, so that some insect or some are destroyed, some insect eaten them, and that's why we have less records. But Britishers maintain their records in museum so that they can preserve for long time. Next one is survey become important. Britishers thought that if you want to control a country, then you should know each and everything about that country. So the survey is the most important point. If you want to know and if you want to control a country, then the survey is most important. The survey villages, urban areas, each and every crops, the cutting times and everything which is related to the people of India, so that they can maintain their records. Second thing, they do census also. They maintain their census also. Census means the counting of population. Counting of population, every time it held after 10 years. So it's called census. Census means counting of population. Britishers maintain their own records after going surveys. What officials record do not tell. Official records tell us what the government want to say to us. But can we know, how do we know about the simple or about the common people? We know more stories about the kings, but do you know about the life of common people? What they believe, what difficulties they faced during their time, during their harvesting time, during their lifetime. So how do we know? Because they didn't maintain their written records. The kings maintain their records so that we know easily what they want to say and what are their achievements. But the common people have no time for their records, for maintaining their records, or they don't know the art of writing, so that we don't know what the life of tribal people and villagers. This is all about your chapter. Firstly, we discussed that the British James Mill divided Indian history into three parts. The Indians means the first one is Hindu, Muslims, and the third one is Christians or British. James Mill divided Indian history into three parts. First one is Hindu, second Muslims, and third British. After that, Indian historians divided Indian history into three parts. The first one is ancient history, second is medieval, and the third one is modern history. We are doing our modern history right now. In 8th class, you will read about the modern history. In 6th class, ancient history. In 7th class, medieval history. And in 8th class, you will read about the modern history. So, in modern history, we also read about what is colonization. Colonization means when a country controls another country. How do we know administration produce records? हम किसी भी रिकॉर्ड के बारे में कैसे जानते हैं? Because the administration maintain record and they preserve their records in museums. Surveys become important. Survey are the most important part of British government. They do survey because they want to know about the country, the rule. They thought that if you want to control a country, then you should know each and everything about this country. The next thing is what official records do not tell. Official record tell what the government want to say to us, but we don't know the life of common people, the life of tribal groups, the people they don't write. The people they don't write or they don't know the art of writing. They don't know how to write. That's why we don't know about their lifestyle, their struggle and many more things. So this is all about your chapter and you will solve your question answers. Thank you.